Hi there, so we're just going to quickly talk about today's Leetcode challenge question. It's called Jewels and Stones. We have two input strings, J and S. J represents the stones that are jewels. S represents the stones. So basically we want to count how many of the stones are jewels. So for each character in the S string, we want to check whether it's in J or not. That's pretty much it. This question is also case sensitive, so small a and big A, capitalized A, they should be treated differently. So we don't need to do any kind of thing like a lower upper conversion, and just treat them as it is. So it's a pretty straightforward question. So let's code a solution up very quickly. We're gonna initial a variable to keep track of the total number that's stones, and in the end, of course, we want to return it. The most straightforward way, it's pretty simple. So it's just going to be one loop. We're going to grab the stones from this input string S and just directly check whether that's in J or not. So this algorithm, it will be, for each of the characters, we want to do one pass, scanning the J and returning, add the counter by 1 if we find it in J. Otherwise, it will be you just increment by 0, so it's unchanged. In the end, we return that total. This will be order of 52 multiplied by n. That's the worst case. N is the number of stones in here, and the 52 is the potential maximum size for J. Actually, it's 50. It's kind of a peculiar, because we have A to Z and the big A to big Z. It should be 52. I just don't know why it's 50. And the space is order of 1 because there are no other things being allocated. Or otherwise, if we want to decrease the time, but able to utilize a little bit more space, we could create a hash map. It will be hash set. Set is enough. All we need to do is to have constant check for the stone, whether that's in J or not. So let's just call it jewels. Is how we spell it. Sorry, my bad English spellings. So just gonna push all the jewels in onto the hash set. And then what we can do is just change this part to be what is this stone here? Yeah. So with this change, we use this set, which we use a little bit more space, but we can decrease the time complexity from 52n to directly to 1 multiplied by n, because we got a constant lookups here with this set here. So let's just comment it very quickly. So that's pretty much the two kind of way of solving it. Depends on whether you want a constant space or not. So slightly different. Oh, it's not okay. What's the problem? Okay, no initialization. So it's a random value in the memory location that's being incremented and returned. All right, so that's the question today.